Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be working in our laundry room. This is in our unfinished basement and I need to finish off the walls, and I'll show you guys a really cost efficient way to finish off the walls in a farm style look. So I'm going to get started on that today. I need to pick up 6 sheets of this plywood right here. It's really inexpensive and we'll rip this down to 8.5-inch boards. Now once that's all done, we'll take those boards and use that to finish off the wall and then paint it when we're done. Now I finally finished cutting all the boards and I need to prep the wall before we can start nailing those up. Now I don't really like going behind people and fixing all the work that they've done, but when we bought this house, a lot of the work that the owner did previously, he didn't do it right. And all this insulation is just shoved into the wall and not stapled up. If you do this, all that insulation will collapse down eventually towards the bottom of the wall and not really insulate at all. So I need to staple this in place before we can finish nailing the boards onto the wall. Now for all the corners and edges, I will be using the same plywood. I'll just rip that down into 3-inch sections and use that to outline and cover up the corners. Now I finished the wall all up. We're gonna get ready to paint, and before we do that, we're gonna clear out this room so that there's nothing in here. It'll make painting a whole lot easier, so we don't have to squeeze around the washer and dryer and try to get around all this stuff. So we're gonna clean this up, paint it, and then move everything back in when we're done. Now here's the finished wall. The paint makes it look great. This room still has a long ways to go. We've got to finish off the floor, the ceiling, put in some better lighting. But those are projects for another time, another day, and I'll probably upload some more videos on how I'm finishing off this room and then the rest of my basement as I get along to it. But this is a great start. Now we've got to move everything back in, set up the new shelves, and organize. Hey guys, if you're watching and have not subscribed yet, subscribing is totally free. Click that button in the bottom right hand corner. It helps me know that you enjoy my videos. Plus, you'll get a notification whenever I upload new videos so you won't miss any content. Hey guys, don't forget to check out some more of my videos. I've got a ton for you guys to watch. And click on that link up in the top right corner and it'll show you a bunch of highlighted videos that I think you guys would enjoy as well. Alright, that finishes up my video for today. Here's a couple before and after pictures just to show you guys the transformation of this room. Already it looks a lot better. Like I said, I still have a lot of work to do. I'm going to finish off the ceiling, redo the lighting, and then redo the floor as well. So stick around if you guys like this video. I'll upload another video of the floor and then probably another one for the ceiling and electrical. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoy this one, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you want a notification when I upload a new video, click on that bell icon. And then also don't forget to give me a thumbs up on this video if you enjoyed it. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next one.